Hi, this is Marty Carter. I'm with SumnerOne Service. Today I'm here to show you how to change a toner waste cartridge on the Kyocera TASKalfa series. You'll get a message on the touchscreen when it's time to change the toner waste cartridge. The toner waste cartridge is located through a little spring-loaded door on the side of the machine here. I'm going to push there and the door opens. Inside is the toner waste cartridge. The waste cartridge pulls out easily. The new cartridge will look just like it, and you'll slide it into place. What's nice about these Kyocera TASKalfa series machines, you can use the old empty black toner cartridge as your toner waste cartridge. Meaning, once you've actually replaced the toner cartridge, you can save this bottle. And I'll show you that this bottle will fit into this toner waste cartridge just like that. So you can also use the empty black toner cartridge as your toner waste cartridge. Thank you.